The 2018 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, CD player, power windows, power door locks, clock, security system, side airbag, tachometer, overhead console, center console, intermittent wipers, tilt steering wheel, power outlets, rear view camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.